PowerPoint presentations enhance communication by visually organizing information for clearer, more engaging understanding. Hello, friends. Welcome to the research world. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to convert a PDF file into a PowerPoint presentation. You can see on screen of my laptop a PDF file, and I want to convert this PDF file into a PowerPoint presentation. So how to do it? Let's follow the steps. First of all, open any search engine and then search for Adobe PDF to PPT. Open this first website. Here you need to upload your PDF file. Select the file and click Open. Now wait for the few seconds our PDF file is uploading. If you felt a spark here, please subscribe and stay with me on this journey. It's done. Now you can see that our PDF file has been converting into the PowerPoint file. Now click on the download option. Our file has been downloaded. Now open your file and you can see that our file has been successfully downloaded in the form of an editable PowerPoint format. You can edit or make any changes to this PowerPoint file.